So in this video I'll be showing you how I make my favorite caramel iced coffee. It is super simple and it tastes amazing, so keep on watching. First, put water in your kettle and then turn it on. Gather all the ingredients that you'll need. They're all listed down in the description. Next, put 1 teaspoon of coffee, I am using instant coffee here, but you can use any type of coffee, into your mug. Now place a few ice cubes into the glass that you'll be using for your iced coffee. We will use this in a second, so just place it to the side. Now add a teaspoon of whatever type of sugar you like. I'm using brown sugar here, into the mug with the coffee. So when your water is done boiling, add the water to the coffee and sugar. Now use a teaspoon to mix up the boiling water, coffee, and sugar until it is fully dissolved. Now to the coffee, sugar, and water mixture, just simply add as much milk as you'd like and whichever milk you'd like. Then just simply mix everything together until it is fully and well mixed. It is time to add the caramel syrup. I'm using the Smucker's Sundae syrup. Just add it in as much as you'd like and mix it all really well. Once the caramel syrup is all mixed, add your coffee to the glass with the ice in it. Now you can add a little more milk if you'd like, which is exactly what I'm doing in this clip. Now I'm just adding a little more water, cold water specifically, to just increase the amount of iced coffee in the glass. So since this glass has a lid that comes with it, I decided to shake the iced coffee just to make sure everything was well mixed, although you can just use a teaspoon or any sort of spoon just to mix it really, really well. I like to just drizzle a bit of caramel syrup on top just because I love the taste and it makes it a little sweeter. And then I just got a teaspoon and just mixed the caramel in fully. And there you go, there's the iced caramel coffee. I hope you enjoy it. The ingredients and the steps are listed down below in the description.